Hey, what's up everyone? Eric Bolin here. In today's video, I want to show you how to make the EB drink. Now, this drink, something I came up with a couple years ago. It's helped a lot of my clients get rid of their Diet Coke cravings, soda cravings, etc. Now, the drink, while it may sound weird what the main ingredients are, I guarantee you, try it before you judge it. It tastes great, but besides just tasting great and helping to eliminate cravings, it can also aid with things such as digestion, improving your gut microbiome, and also improving insulin sensitivity. So let's go into what this drink is and how to make it. Okay, so it's pretty simple. There's only 3 ingredients in here besides the sparkling water. Now, I have Pellegrino here. You can use Perrier or any other type of sparkling water that you like. It doesn't matter what sparkling water you use. It's just important that you use one because we want the carbonation for the fizziness. Now, when it comes to cravings, when it comes to addictions, a lot of the time, if we can mimic textures or an experience, somehow we can eliminate those cravings because it doesn't feel like you're completely getting rid of it. Now, when it comes to things like diet soda or Coca-Cola, a lot of the times people love the fizziness or the burn sensation that they get on their tongue and in their mouth. So the sparkling water acts as a base to do that. After you have the sparkling water, we got roughly 8-10 ounces in here. So right here I have organic balsamic vinegar. Now this is where a lot of people they back off and they're a little afraid to do this because people think balsamic vinegar, that's disgusting, etc. Okay, well, the lemon and the salt that we have for the next ingredients are gonna eliminate a lot of the acidity and the smell of the vinegar. Same thing with the carbonation in the water, so you just have to trust me on this one. So, don't really know how much this is. It's roughly about 5 to 6 tablespoons. The brand that I'm using is Napa Valley Naturals. Now, not endorsed by them, but for me, it's the best balsamic vinegar that I found to date for this drink, and you can get it at Sprouts or anywhere else. I highly suggest getting a balsamic vinegar that has 5 stars, okay, that it is organic, and when you look at the back of the ingredients, you need to make sure that it contains no caramel colorings or added sugars, okay? So the only ingredient must be organic balsamic vinegar and or organic grape must, okay? No added sugars, no added coloring. That's what makes this work. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna notice what happens to the drink when I pour it in, okay? The drink turns black. Now we have a fizzing black drink, okay? So we're almost done with it. So the next thing, now I usually prefer using a lime, but I didn't have any on hand, so we're just gonna take a lemon for this and squirt it in. Now, I usually use half a lemon. Doesn't matter if you use a whole one. It really just depends on the size of it. So now that we got the lemon in there, that's gonna kind of eliminate that acidity that the vinegar has. And then the last ingredient, which is gonna give it sort of a burning sensation, is the sea salt. So I'm just using a fine Himalayan pink sea salt. Doesn't really matter what you use. I just highly suggest using a sea salt. Don't go and use like a table salt for this. And we're just gonna go ahead and pour about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now you'll notice how it's fizzing, okay, because we just added in sodium to this. So now we have a fizzing black drink that's going to burn, okay? Now, you just go ahead and mix it a little bit. I highly suggest doing this, and I usually use a mason jar. Don't try squeezing all of this into a bottle like this because you're going to have the whole thing explode, and you don't want that. So, you make a drink like this. The vinegar, there's been a lot of research that shows that the vinegar can help with things such as improving insulin sensitivity. It's the same type of thing you get with why people want to drink apple cider vinegar. Okay, there's nothing real special about apple cider vinegar. The health benefits come from vinegar itself and what it can do, the acid components that are in it. So we have the balsamic vinegar, we have the table salt, we have the lemon, and then we have the sparkling water. There is some research that carbonated water can help with digestion. But more than anything, this isn't really a health drink, but it can be a health drink if it helps you to eliminate certain cravings, okay? So I know a lot of people think it tastes disgusting. I'm telling you, that tastes like a Diet Coke. Okay, so it tastes amazing. I've had a lot of people give me some amazing feedback on it. I've been giving it to clients for years. I don't really talk about it openly, but I want you to go ahead and give this a try. I include it in my free book that I just wrote. It's a 30-page guide to getting started and getting shredded on the keto diet. And this is one of the main things I have people start with before they have breakfast. Okay, so you start your day with something like this. It's going to feel like a little cheat. It's going to eliminate cravings. It's going to help you digest your food better in the day. And it's also a great way just to start your day. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. If this is something that has helped you, leave a like, leave a comment, tell me how it's helped. Make sure that you subscribe and also click that bell icon so that you can stay notified. And until then, I will see you guys next time.